Okay, so today I'm gonna record that Chainsaw Massacre. I don't know what it is, but I saw that him somewhere around here. I'm scared, you guys. I'm scared to death. Please help me. Where you are, please help me. There's my eyeball. And there's my nose. So there's my other eyeball. So please, help me, guys. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die, guys. I don't wanna die. Oh. I think he's coming. I think he's coming. I think he's coming. I'm so scared. Okay, you guys. I'm very scared. So scared. I don't know if he's behind the house. Oh! I wanted to see me. Guys, I'm scared. Please help me. Send the police or something. Close up. He's coming for me! He's gonna come for all of you! Hide your kids, hide you up, and hide your family, because he's coming for all of us! Okay guys, I don't know where he is. I'm gonna check. Oh, he's over there! Woo! Duct tape power! I think he's dead. Let's check. That was hilarious. Let me get my duct tape. A little duct tape. Now everybody, that was real footage of that Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It might have been somebody else that was brain damaged, that was trying to kill me, okay? So, goodbye. And be careful. Hide your kids, hide your wives, and hide your husbands too. He's gonna find you. Okay, so I'm back here. I'm gonna check if he's here. What the? Where is he? He was laying right there in that plant. Oh shit! I think he's still alive.